If you want to add a domain to Namecheap shared web hosting, I'm going to walk you through the exact process step by step so you can connect the domain correctly and give it its own folder in cPanel. This is a great setup if you're building a new website, launching a second project, or simply moving a domain into your Namecheap hosting account without confusion. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials just like this. Now let's start with the first part, which is pointing your domain's name servers to Namecheap hosting. To do that, log into your Namecheap account dashboard and open the domain list. Find the domain you want to add, then click Manage next to it. Inside the domain settings, look for the Nameservers section under the Domain tab. This is where you tell the domain where it should point. From the drop-down menu, select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. If you are managing an external domain and need to enter the values manually, choose Custom DNS and type in dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. After that, click the green checkmark icon to save the change. This step is important because without the correct name servers, your domain won't connect properly to your hosting account. Once the name servers are updated, the next step is adding the domain inside cPanel. Go back to your Namecheap account and open Hosting List from the left-hand menu. Next, click Go to cPanel for the hosting plan you want to use. When cPanel opens, scroll down to the Domain section and click Domains. This area lets you create and manage the domains connected to your hosting space. Now click Create a new domain. In the domain text box, enter your new domain name, such as yournewdomain.com. This tells cPanel which domain you want to add to the hosting account. Then look for the option that says Share Document Root with your main domain and make sure you uncheck it. This is an important step because unchecking it gives the new domain its own separate folder instead of placing it inside your main website directory. After that, check the document root field. It should automatically populate to a folder like yournewdomain.com or public/htl yournewdomain.com. If it does, that means cPanel is setting up a dedicated directory for the website files. This is useful because each domain stays organized and you can manage content separately from your primary domain. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. In some accounts, you may also see Submit and create another, which is helpful if you plan to add more domains right away. After you submit the form, cPanel will create the new domain and connect it to your hosting account structure. At this point, your domain should be added to Namecheap shared hosting, and your name servers should be pointing in the right direction. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if the website does not appear immediately, give it a little while and check again later. That's completely normal. And that's it. You've now added a domain to Namecheap shared web hosting the right way. If this video saved you time, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.